Hello guys, welcome to CA Talks YouTube channel. My name is Albert and this is my first video uploading into YouTube, and the main purpose of starting this channel is to clear all your doubts regarding CA course, and I wish this channel should be comfortable and interactive enough to ask all of your doubts and clear it. So guys, without any further late, let's get into today's topic. So today's topic is what is CA course and how to enroll in it. In CA course we have two entries by which the main eligibility you have to pass your 12th. By passing 12th you can enroll CA course by enrolling in foundation, and there is another entry called direct entry. In direct entry you have to finish your UG, and if you have finished your UG, that is your BCom or BCA, anything else, you can get into intermediate directly without foundation. So these are the true entries into the CA course. So CA course is a 4.5 years course. So by passing your 12th you can enter into your foundation, and in foundation we have 4 papers. If the 4 papers should be cleared at once. If you have failed in one subject also, you have to write all of the 4 subjects again. So after passing your foundation you will go to intermediate. In intermediate you have 2 groups and 8 subjects. First group consisting 4 subjects and second group consisting of 4 subjects. And after intermediate you will go to internship or articleship, and we call it as articles. So there is no need of passing all the 2 groups. If you passed a single group also, you can get into the articleship, but you have to also pass the second group to get into the final. If you have passed the intermediate, you have to article for 3 years under a chartered accountant. So after you got your experience of articleship, you will go to final and you will write on one more 8 papers there, 2 groups, first group consisting of 4 subjects and second group and in second group all consisting of 4 subjects. And after you passing the final, you will become a professional chartered accountant. And many of them have a doubt that they could enter into CA course if they come from a science background. Definitely a science background or a commerce background, anyone else can enroll for a CA course. So that's it for CA course details. Now we will see what are the subjects in it. In CA foundation we have 4 subjects, which are principles and practice of accounting, business laws and corresponding and reporting, and business mathematics and business economics. In intermediate we have 8 papers consisting accounting, corporate and other laws, cost and management accounting, taxation, advanced accounting, audit and assurance, enterprise information system and strategic management, financial management and economic finance. And in final we have the same 2 groups, Group A and Group B, and 2 groups each consisting of 4 papers. The subjects are financial reporting, strategic financial management, advanced auditing and professional ethics, and the third one is corporate and economic laws, strategic cost management and performance evaluation, global financial reporting, standards and direct tax laws, and indirect taxation and indirect tax laws. These are the information about the CA course. If you need any other further information, please do comment below. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel and like the video if you are satisfied. Thank you, and please support us consistently. If you also want more information, you can also follow my Instagram account, Albert Leander Official. Thank you.